guys? So for today's video, we are headed to FASS Fuel Systems, which lucky for me is just about a little over an hour from the shop. So we are headed there now, or hopefully headed there now. We've had a heck of a time getting the Kodiak started. We were gonna haul it there, but I'm like, we're just gonna take a chance and we're gonna drive it. So if you guys have seen my other videos, especially the road trip videos, I've had some issues with the fuel system in the Kodiak, and I think that this fuel system is gonna fix it all. So fingers crossed, that's what I'm hoping. It's for sure gonna make it 100 times better. We're gonna see. I'm about to head back in the shop. I know Garth was cranking on it again, trying to get it to start. It seems like the batteries are dying now, and I don't know. Heavy for you, huh, guys? No, I'm just kidding. So I'm excited to get that on, and hopefully we get it up and running full blown today, because we really have been needing to go to Oklahoma to pick up some equipment for the shop. And if this gets it running, we're gonna head out tomorrow. So fingers crossed. But yeah, you guys are gonna get to see the install and all of the inside stuff that goes on at FASS Fuel Systems today. So I'm pretty excited about today's video. Stay tuned. Okay, I come back in here and it's not here, so that could be a good sign, guys. It moved. Is it going?
What?
Is it good?
It's good, I hope.
I hope. We got the bed off. We initially took the bed off to do the armadillo liner. And we do have a video over the process of armadillo lining the whole Kodiak, but Armadillo Liners media team took care of that video, and we should have it uploaded soon. But if these uploads are a little bit mixed up, that would be why. But you guys get a little sneak peek without the bed of what it's gonna look like. But we are headed out, fingers crossed. Hope it doesn't leave us on the side of the road. Fingers crossed, guard.
Crossed.
I miss driving this thing. For real.
You think we're gonna make it or what?
I mean, really, we're just crossing our fingers, going with the flow, just gonna give her hell, you know, just like everything else in life, just kind of winging it. So we got about an hour, and we'll see. I guess it'll make for an interesting vlog. If we don't, we'll have to call Spencer to come rescue us.
See, that's the thing. We don't have service half the way there.
Oh. Oh.
So there's not gonna be no calling anybody.
Wait, I need to get fuel probably. Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I mean, what's your gauge say?
The gauge it doesn't work. Okay. Why would you even ask me that?
The gauge does work
No, it
though.
literally doesn't. It's literally on. This is part of the issue.
Well, that means you got a code throwing.
Before.
Casey's doesn't have diesel.
Yeah, they do now. They do have diesel now.
Since when?
Casey stepped up their game, Garth.
Since when?
Since a couple months ago. I don't know. Take that up with them, not me. They're freaking.
Well, I don't go to Casey's.
They're state of the art up here. I go there because they have donuts and pizza, and now they have diesel. So. Oh.
Dump trucks.
Dump trucks. So we made it here. The Kodiak made it. We're getting started over here with Spencer. Check out some of the cool stuff that's in the shop. Let's go. So this is Zane.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
So this is his F-250.
Yes, so we make a coilover conversion kit, which takes the 99 to 04 leaf spring trucks and convert it to the newer style 05 and up Super Duty suspension. So this one, my personal one, is getting transformed with an F550 front axle, Super 60 axle, and Carly suspension. So it's a coilover bypass kit, running a 2.5 coilover and a 3.0 triple bypass. And in the back is going to be a 3.0 5.2 race bypass. It's going to be mounted on top of springs. So the rear is still under progress, just getting the front knocked out. And then we're running 17-inch gold Innovate wheels on some 40s. And this will end up being about a 4.5-inch kit. We'll do some fiberglass on it, front and rear, and hood stack, of course.
Yes.
And a handbrake inside.
I need one of those for the Willys, by the way.
And then we're gonna do a full cage in it, bed cage, to kind of help that frame a little bit with the suspension. Hopefully we don't bend it, but you never know.
You never know what could happen.
So this is the progress so far. A little pre-runner bumper in the front, kind of a 3/4 ton pre-runner truck, I guess, per se.
How many times are you gonna jump it? All the times?
Well, there's a jump on the way to work, so. So at least twice a day.
Hashtag daily driver.
Yeah.
pretty empty,
It's definitely pretty empty.
even though we filled it up. So it's not good. I'm so excited.
You might be able to do some burnouts.
Really?
Maybe.
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, we're gonna adjust it after you.
Nothing cool?
No. But look at all the stuff we're gonna keep out of your fuel system,
Oh my gosh.
right?
That is bad.
Yeah, that's nasty. You don't want that in your injectors.
Because you can fix it right up.
That's right. Everything buttoned up, and I think it's ready to prime the FASS and get it fired up.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
She's getting in the driver's seat and the hood's still open. They don't even realize the hood is even open. Look. You gonna get in with the hood open? You gotta close the hood.
I thought that's what you were gonna go do.
I ended up having to do it. Back her on up, Terry.
Wait for me.
When we do burnouts, though, you gotta get out and video it.
Left's lit, Linda. Remember.
Is it?
No, it's turned down. I turned it down.
Turn this up. Left is lit.
To the left.
Right. We're just gonna dip a little bit of brush. It's fine. It's armadillo line. It's fine. Totally fine.
I told you. She never knew it blew smoke until I figured out which way was up and down on her switch.
Gosh.
Yeah,
That just
so
made me
left's
so
up
happy.
And right's down. I told her that. She's like,
So when
left
we were
is lit.
trying it, I
was
had
all
it the
the way
wrong way. Left or right? Right. Oh my gosh, that just made me so
That was pretty good for a big truck.
I got just a little bit of an exhaust leak here. I don't know though.
I'd say you need a new exhaust there, Linda.
What's about to happen, Garth?
Oh, you're about to do some minivan climbing.
Yeah, why not? I love this color. Is this like a stock color on these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
Well, you need to buy one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I do need one.
Cruising around shows.
That'd be so cool.
I'm glad I just got rid of mine. I was tearing up way too much stuff with mine.
Yeah, I hear that, man.
Hey, Spencer, you might want to put your belts on when they're driving.
I'm gonna hang on. Just straight back.
Hey, just remember that story I told you earlier about mine taking a swim?
Well, we're going slow. I've never tried to go any further up.
Guys, my turbos are here too. Get out of my video, guard. Just kidding. My turbos are here. Do you want to see them?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, let's look at them. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Fillet wheels.
Now we've got not just one, but two. How many turbos?
All of them.
All of them. Oh. Okay, well, I'm
Your nails are tearing it up, Linda.
the window. Yes. I think I need a picture of these. Heavy.
Yeah, they ain't lying. They're fully assembled.
Oh my gosh. All the fuel filters we need now.
Well, these are for guards if you ever get this done wrong.
Should be this week. They say it should be here this week. So we'll see.
Well, I would say mine's going to be done in a month for the last 3 months. So.
You know how it is. It's like a chain reaction effect.
So it looks like this rig runs pretty good, if I do say so myself. So thank you to Spencer and Josh at FASS Fuel Systems for getting me hooked up. Now, I guess tomorrow we're on our way to Oklahoma. We'll see how she holds up.